I've heard but never made a contact with, and some of the Asian areas. New Zealand is another one. Heard them but never made a contact. But I'll keep on trying. I think I need a better antenna and less noise. I might hear more. Back to you, Ryan. 3OTR.
OTR, Scott, hello buddy. So Darren, hello Scott, how are we both? I'll tell you what Darren, I'll throw it round to you, then Scott can have it from M6RK in the group.
6 high power oscillator, mobile. Yeah, good evening gents. Scott, good evening to you. On the other station I don't recognise your voice, I'm sure we've spoken before, but forgive me. So yeah, round to you Scott, very good evening.
6 HPO Mobile, M3OTR group, good evening all. Just sort of see there was still life on here, so I'll just turn the volume up and hear you all up. Actually browsing eBay, looking for a few bits. So I will take a standby, grab a cup of tea, and I'll be back. So you'll carry on. Nice to be in a box, alive and well. Good evening all, M3OTR group.
I'll take it from M6RK, just make sure I'm not doubling. Darren, well, we've got 2E0GBK, that's 2 Echo 0 Golf Bravo Kilo, that's Keith. He's on the side there. We've been club. We tried meeting up on 2 metre simplex, but it was a lost cause, hi. So that's who we've got on the side, so I shall throw it around to Keith. 2E0GBK from M6RK in the group.
20GBK, good evening to, I've got the call signs correct. If I say, I think I've got Mike 3 Hotel Echo Romeo and Mike 6 Hotel Papa Oscar. Was there anybody else? Back to you, Ryan, M6RKE.
On the side, M3 OTR, Mike 3 Oscar Tango Romeo, but he's gone off to make a brew to get there, Keith. So you take it, and I'll let you say hello to Darren now.
Okay, from 2E0GBK. Yes, I don't know either of you, I'm afraid. Name is Keith. QTH is Leatherhead, and you're all pretty good signals.
Welcome.
And Ryan is, don't know what his altitude is actually. Perhaps you can tell us, Ryan, what your altitude is. An M6RKE from 2E0GBK.
Stand by, I'll straight round to Darren and I shall find out for you. M6 HPO Mobile on the group, M6RKE, over.
M6 HPO mobile returning. Yeah, very good. My altitude at the moment, I've no idea, but I know that in about 5 minutes I'm going to be best part of 1,000 foot above sea level. So I'm just heading up onto a big hill. At the moment I'm probably close to the bottom, just trying to get out that way of a country lane. Yeah, good to hear you on, Keith. Anyway, guys, so we've not spoken before. I never had to know where that is, out that way. And I'm the mobile station. I don't do home base. I'm only mobile, so got a bit of a mobile shack. Off a plate. That's very often. If you've not heard me before, Scott's making a brew and Ryan's checking some details out. So back to you, Keith, from M6 HPO Mobile.
6 HPO Mobile from 2E0GBK. Yes, I can hear you fine, but occasionally it's interrupted. I guess you're moving, but it's all right at the moment. Still 20 to 30 over. And yes, I'm on a down slope. I'm using an 857. And it's 50 watts, but it's going into a strange aerial, some Midel disco on the chimney. It takes 50 watts, so that's its maximum. So I've actually used it for receiving for something else, but before I took up amateur radio, but I got the bonus of it working on 2 meters and 70 centimeters. It's put up there for listening for aircraft, basically, for air traffic control, because I'm stuck halfway between, well not stuck, I'm halfway between you know, we're LHR and LGW, so and they're circling around all the time. Back to you, Darren, M6 HPO mobile from 20GBK.
M6 HPO mobile returning. There we go, saves me saying it. Yeah, well, I know that I've spent a lot of time in this. I've got all the frequencies pretty much for all the grounds and the baggage crew and the ground and security and everything. Yeah, it's quite interesting.